I am back. My voice is still not 100%, and I'm probably still gonna be coughing a lot, so I'm gonna cut that all out. But hey guys, oh my god, it's been like 3 weeks since I got sick, and I lost my voice there. I was just super low energy. Oh my god, it was a tough time, but I am back, and some of you were asking me, where is my January Frockbox? So as you know, Frockbox is a monthly subscription box. It's out of Alberta, Canada, where I live, which is awesome. I love supporting local. And I am trying it out for 1 full year. So my January box came, they shipped it around January 17th. As soon as I got it, I tried everything on, even though I was feeling really sick. And I couldn't talk. I had completely lost my voice at that point, so I couldn't talk about what I thought about the clothes. So I'm just gonna have some footage of me trying on the clothes with me voicing over it now. But there were some issues with the box. So first of all, let me show you what's in the box, and then we can talk about these weird problems. Alright, so even though it's February right now, this is my January 2020 Frockbox, and here's an overview of all the items I got in this box, and big question mark, what is up with all these white tops? What the heck? You can see I am like astonished. We got 1, we got 2, we got flipping 3 white tops this box. What the heck? It is so confusing. Why do I have 3 white tops? The first top I'll try on here is this cable knit sweater with heart pattern in large. It's the color cream, and it retails for $84.99. Pretty soft and comfortable, pretty cozy. It feels really nice. I like the pattern. I think it's like pretty flattering, but I wouldn't keep it because it's cream. So next is this Lofty Manor lace mock neck blouse, again in large, and this one was $59.99 in the color white, and it's pretty cute. I feel like if it was black, maybe I'd have had a higher chance of keeping it. It's just this like lace top layered over this like cami, and it's kind of sewed in there, and I like the sleeves, I like the neck detail, but overall it's white, so I'm not gonna keep it. And last of all, for the white tops, this Surplice wrap blouse in large in the color cream. This one is only $29, so if I was gonna keep anything from this month's box, this would be a good option because it would only cost me like $4. But I don't get this top at all. Like, it's not flattering. It's got some cool details on the side of it, but I could not get the neckline to work for me, and like my skin peeked through. I don't know. It was just not my look. Plus, like, your bra shows through unless you're wearing a flesh colored bra. I don't know. I just don't get this top. I don't think it was a good look for me. So next we have this mock neck sweater with ruffle. It's black and it's a size large. This one retails for $79.99, and honestly it's just like a basic black sweater with this cool ruffle detail. It kind of reminds me of a shirt that I had previously tried on from Frockbox, but for $80 I think it's a little expensive for just a black turtleneck type top. And the last item in this box is this skirt with a front slit. It's in the red boutique print. It's a size extra large, and it retails for $59.99. And oh, Douglas just walked in. Shocking. There you go. There were all the items in the box. You can see in the video I was reading a letter that they had sent with my Frockbox. My stylist is Sasha B, and she says, "Hey Corrie, I hope you like the pieces I chose for you based off your Pinterest board. Try pairing this skirt with a black top for a cute, streamlined look. You can also pair it with any of the other tops. I thought this cable knit sweater would look good with the black pants you kept from last month's box. Let me know your feedback on these pieces," which sounds great. I should also link my Pinterest board that I originally sent them for my style. I don't think I've ever linked it, so I will actually remember to put a link down below so you guys can like check out what I've kind of set my style aspirations as. And I set it up when I first subscribed back in spring of last year. So I haven't really updated it since. So, I mean, they should have a good idea of what I like. But the problem here is, if you check last month's Frockbox video, I didn't get a pair of black pants. I didn't keep a pair of black pants. In fact, I sent everything back last month. So this is pretty puzzling. I'm pretty sure this might not have actually been my box. Now, all the items were the right size. But in the past, I've said this before, I've asked for no white tops. And when I got my last box, I was really careful to go back in and explicitly say, please don't send me any more white tops. And then we get this box and there's 3 white tops, which again makes me think this must not be my box. So now we come to a really strange like ethical dilemma where I want to support local. I love supporting local. But after I got this box, I really felt like canceling it immediately. Like, no more. We'll just like end it here. I'm not interested in continuing on. I don't feel like listened to. I don't feel really appreciated as a customer. I just kind of feel like invisible and like I don't fit in this big whole Frockbox family, which is awkward and it really sucks. I really wish I was having an awesome experience, and I feel like the excitement from my first couple of boxes is kind of like died off. I think I've sent back like 3 completely returned bags so far, which I don't know, it's really disheartening. Like I said, after I tried everything on in this box, I really did consider canceling it right away. Like, even if I send everything back, like I'm still losing $25 every month just like getting them to style it and ship it and for me to ship it back. So it's not like I'm just trying on clothes for free, right? Plus there's an environmental impact. I don't know, there's just a lot that like doesn't feel like super good. And it sucks also because they're local, like I'm in their community. I don't know. I don't want to like badmouth them or not recommend them. Like I would love to recommend them to you. But this experience has just like not been the best. I've also like tagged them a few times on Instagram. Okay, this is like me throwing shade now. And like no interaction, no like compliment. Again, I kind of feel like I don't feel like I deserve it because like I have a YouTube channel or anything. Like I'm pretty like tiny in the whole scheme of things. But even just like being a customer and like tagging them and like shouting them out, like maybe like a hey, you look great, or like thanks for trying it on, or hope you enjoy your box. Just like some sort of acknowledgement that I like actually exist, that I'm actually like interacting with them, that like they see me, maybe they acknowledge my body type, maybe they like see the type of gal that's like buying their products. I don't know, I just feel like completely outside the world, and I don't know, my experiences just haven't been that amazing, which really breaks my heart. So I did decide I will fulfill the complete year, which I believe is either April or May is when I'll be completely done my boxes. But we'll have to really see what these last few boxes will be like, because so far, I don't know, guys. I know quite a few of you also subscribe to Frockbox because you always tell me what's in your box. So let me know, have you like tagged them or like interacted with them on Instagram? Have you given them feedback in another type of way? Like this time I was really clear in my feedback, like, hey, I'm pretty sure this might not have been my box. Like, what's up with that? But I don't know, like, I feel like in that sort of situation, like, some sort of, credit might be applied to my account, like, maybe my next box might be free or something. I don't think that's, like, overreaching, that if they did send me the wrong box with the wrong items on it, that, like, I shouldn't be punished and waste my $25 on it. But I don't know, maybe that's just me being, like, ungrateful and, confused. I'm not really sure. I'm sure you guys all have very many thoughts on it, so definitely leave a comment down below. I definitely don't want to like bash them or demand anything of them. Like, I'm totally kind of cool being outside of that world because then I don't feel like emotionally attached to praise them or anything. But yeah, I don't know. and I would love to know your thoughts. So, in conclusion, this month was a bit of a dud. Really heartbreaking. I'm a little bit nervous overall for the service. And yeah, we'll see what February's box is like in a few weeks here, and hopefully it's a killer one and I keep the whole thing again, because the pieces that I have gotten from Frockbox I have absolutely fallen in love with. So I'm hoping for more of that and we can go out with a big bang. And then of course I'm going to add up everything that I've kept over this complete year and kind of do a retrospective of like how much do I love the items that I've kept. Do I have any regrets about the items that I've kept? How much did I actually spend this year on clothes? Because generally I don't spend this much in a year in clothes. I feel like I've really done some good things with my wardrobe at the same time. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad to be back. I will be back in Thursday's video with my Beautylish Lucky Box. Again, like a whole month late on that. But we'll unlock my New Year's box from Beautylish. And yeah, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Thanks again to my patrons who, of course, do help support my videos. And they even supported me over this month. I was completely sick and out of the loop, which I really appreciate. Part of your money obviously goes to help me fund these things like Frockbox. Where, you know, like, I'm just spending money on Frockbox. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I'm completely ranting now. I will see you all in Thursday's video. Bye for now.